This is where I chose to mount my TV with this brand new TV mount that I got. It's very thin, very simple, and I put it at a little tilt so then I could see it like from the floor while I do workouts and stuff like that. And I could even tilt it some more because of this on the back. It gives you a little bit more room. You might not be able to see it, but you can even tilt it some more. And before, my TV was on here, like had no space, but with this mount it gives you so much more space and so much more adjustability for where you can watch your TV in your room. Like if I wanted to watch it from my bed, I could tilt it and move it, but I wanted it right here for now. But yeah, I definitely recommend.
All in all, it's very good. It's very sturdy. It has full range motion. The only thing I caution though is I had to go in at an angle. I don't know if you could tell, but the wrench or the socket that I even used, this is too thick. It interferes with here, so I couldn't go in straight. I couldn't get a bite on it anymore. So I went in a little bit at an angle just so that I can get that bite. It's in here good. It's going nowhere. I can hang on that and it's not going anywhere. It's only, I think, a 36-inch TV, but it's full range. And it's very good, very easy, quick to install. Highly recommend.
So I like this product because it tilts and it connects to my TV right over my bed. And if I am looking at Marilyn Monroe, I could turn my TV that way. And for $17, it's worth it.
You can turn it either way. So cool. Great way to hide your TV behind your door.
This worked great for my Echo Show 21. I think it would hold a much bigger TV though. It's very strong. Just to show you how big this is in comparison to my hand. It's a great mount. Seems very strong. Tilts every direction. I would definitely recommend this.
That's all the tilt you're going to get though. I got to tilt this as far as it can go.
vehicles. The FAA says it will investigate. A U.S. Navy F-35 fighter jet crashed in Central California yesterday.